It's nice to be here.
You told me the
No!
wrong
Now, this is already going, so you don't have to do anything. So let's just
don't put your thumb
Let's start
over
picture
the
real quick one more
screen.
time. Ready?
Okay.
Good one. Okay.
Yeah, there it is.
Do all of them.
Get that butt plug out of your mouth.
Okay. Now, good one.
A good one? Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
Very good.
Now, now this is going out to you tonight. On the last verse. To know him is to love. Oh, you hold on. We gotta switch places. Yeah. And then, hey, look right at the camera the whole time, because that's easy to look at. Camera. And then.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
That's good. That's definitely easier, yeah.
Okay, let's get back.
Okay.
Is it still going?
Yep.
Okay. Know him is to love him. Just to see him smile makes my life worthwhile. Yes, just to know him is to love him. And I do. I'll be good to him. I'll bring love to him. Everyone says there'll come a day when I'll walk alongside of him. Yes, just to know him is to love him. And I do. Why can't he see? How blind can he be? Someday he'll see that he was meant for me. Whoa, to know him is to blow him. Just to make him come makes my mouth go numb. Yes, just to blow him.
The camera's shaking now, what?
Blow him, and I do. And let me conclude that, okay? Because when I was 16 and I gave my first blowjob, I went, and he goes, "What are you doing, bitch?" And I said, "What?" He goes, "You spit it, fuck." And I'm like, "You said you wanted a blowjob." He's like, "Whatever, you should know that." I said, "I'm Catholic. How would I know?"
Man, I don't care who you are, that's funny.
She's literally blowing
She
like
really
this.
blew. Yeah, dog. Who wouldn't?